Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A poultry grower from Guri County, Awendo Sub-County. Today we are going to discuss all about vaccination. As you can see, I've given my birds a vaccine of infectious disease plus the Newcastle. You can see it. This sachet here, it is a Newcastle disease, stroke, bronchitis. This is the vaccine for only 500 birds. So I detained my birds. From giving them water today. So right now I'm just giving them the vaccine. What are the importance of vaccination to our poultry? We find that if we vaccinate our birds, they will not fall sick, and the cost of production will be high. Once you vaccinate your birds, eggs you will receive daily, and no birds will not lay. So it is good to vaccinate the birds, also to minimize the harm to birds. It's also good to vaccinate them to avoid the cost of treatment. Again, to prevent many petty illness. So today, I just want to tell you that vaccination program must be followed. If you don't follow the vaccination program, your birds will die and will lose. Please, viewers, consider subscribing my channel, and I'll be happy. Thank you. Goodbye.